Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by taking precise inventory. Identify the 3 target keywords that can move the needle fast and why each matters. Once done, run a technical check. Mobile first, 200 responses, sitemap present, robots. TXT configured, and aim for page load under 3 seconds. Make sure to assign 1 primary keyword per page and align content with search intent so Google clearly understands relevance. This immediate setup prevents wasted effort and lets you attack ranking improvements with measurable steps. Next, build and optimize content that earns clicks and answers user intent. Write comprehensive pages where appropriate, aim for depth, include the target keyword within the first 100 words, and structure using H1 and H2 headings. Once published, optimize the meta title and description for CTR and add schema markup to highlight rich results. Make sure to add internal links from high-authority pages, use descriptive image alt text, and deploy canonical tags plus a CDN so performance and indexing remain consistent. Finally, build authority and refine what's live. Pursue relevant backlinks through outreach and high-value placements. Quality beats quantity. Once you have baseline links and content, monitor Search Console and Analytics weekly to track CTR, impressions, and rank movement, then iterate on pages needing improvement. If rankings stall, troubleshoot immediately. Check crawl errors, manual actions, site speed, and toxic backlinks to disavow. Keep testing titles, schema, and internal linking. Steady adjustments compound into top rankings over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.